So, you want to supercharge a Chevy Cavalier. I'll be doing it on a 2005 Cavalier, and this is what you will need. So, this right here is the Eaton M62 Supercharger. I already installed the ZZP pulley, the modular pulley system on it. And that comes with the rest of the kit that you get from ZZP. You can source all of this stuff yourself, but it's probably a lot more expensive. The ZZ Performance Kit, it's not meant for a Chevy Cavalier. It's meant for Cobalt SS and probably Saturn Ions. Optionally, you can get the supercharger and the intake manifold, but that makes it go from $750 to, I don't even know, a lot. Manifold is $550 and the supercharger is like $375, I think. So someone else can do the math. But I bought this and this used for $400. But it did not have this end plate on it. I think that's because the previous owner put the dual pass end plate on it, but the dual pass end plate was out of stock at the time of me buying the rest of this. So I bought this on eBay, and it actually happened to be from ZZP. And it bolted right on. I had to buy some screws from Lowe's. Well, bolts. But it bolted right on. I actually made my own gaskets using O-ring maker. And then aside from things you can get from ZZP, which is all of this, manifold, and supercharger, you will need one other thing for a Cavalier if you're gonna try to use the stock ECU. If it's gonna be a street car, you're gonna need the stock ECU because you have to pass inspection. This right here is an LSJ throttlebody adapter. I guess I'll link that in the description. It's by Catec. And then, other than that, you will need HPtuners, the MPVI2 to tune it, or you can have someone else tune it. But I'm gonna try and do all of this myself, and we're gonna make my car fast. Oh, well, one other thing you need is a Chevy Cavalier. Thanks. Bye.